So after I laid down the Flagstone pavers at this location, it became obvious that it's just not level enough. Too much of a slope out this way and down towards the driveway. I could add material here, but then that would make even more of a slope, more difficult to make it easy to pull our equipment out and just walk around. So for me, it's easier to raise it up into the lawn a little higher where it's flatter for a greater distance. And then I can more easily make adjustments. So I removed the sod in this upper section, if you want to call it upper, close to our planting area. And again, this is more level. I'm going to check the level using a couple of long boards and see how much adjustment I have to make. Then I'll lay down the fabric and move the Flagstone pavers. Just a little adjustment from the right side, moving it left, going this direction. And this way is almost spot on. I don't want it perfectly level so that rain can just flow off naturally. First, I'll remove this temporary brick border, pull back the fabric, level the soil in between the sections, then lay down more fabric in the new section. It's difficult to do because it's so soft and dry, but I think I got it pretty close. That's good. Try the slope direction this way. That's gonna work. Put down the fabric, stomp it around to level it out even more, then lay down the pavers. Well, it took some time and effort leveling out this very dry soil, but I was able to make it pretty darn good, except for the very bottom towards the bottom of the frame. I'm going to use some shims and stuff some soil in there before I finish it up. One more row to go. Well, this is where I'm at now. 9 pavers, and they're pretty flat, but at the same time, we've decided we want 3 more. It just doesn't look complete the way it is. To level the last 3 pavers, I'm going to use sand. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on top of the fabric or beneath it. Beneath, of course, is preferred, but you don't have as much flexibility. Well, that's it for today. It's been a hot one in the 90s. That's all I can do for now. Peace out.